Welcome back. Today we face one of the most important questions in roulette basics: how to play. It may look simple, but only a few truly understand it. Stay with me till the end, because I'll show you where you can learn the full process step by step, completely free. Have you ever paused before starting and asked yourself, do you have enough knowledge about the game you're going to learn? Do you know the essential mathematics behind the game, which help you calculate the risk factor? Do you know the techniques involved and all the physical mechanisms behind the game? Do you know about the payouts and other rules and conditions of the game? Do you have proper knowledge of modern tools and techniques? Are you fully aware of traditional theories, practices, and their consequences in the long run? Do you know about the probability of odds, and do you have a proper plan to deal with high-end probability? Do you have any realistic target? Do you have any plan to achieve your target? Do you have a reverse plan in case things do not go in your favor? How long will it take to achieve your target? And what will you do if you do not achieve it within the time limit? Are you starting only with winning targets in your mind, or do you have other learning targets too? There are hundreds of factors you need to consider before setting your targets. Just think of it. Are you aware of the modern equipment and mechanisms involved in gaming? Do you believe there are controls that can influence the outcomes? Do you think if you enter someone's house, they will simply let you take their money in front of their eyes? If there is a control, then what type of control is it? Manual, mechanical, remote, computerized, or something else? Do you have methods or statistics to adapt against such controls? The main task is to judge the control. What kind of control is it, and how should you adapt to it? Do you have a strategy which can give you consistent guidance in the long run? Do you have your own strategy or just copied from the internet? Have you tested this strategy in the long run over different platforms? Or are you using it just because someone showed wins on YouTube? How are you 100% sure about your results? Is it only because you got a strategy online? Or do you have real testing and learning behind it? All is well till you are winning, but the moment you start losing, nothing can stop it. There is no strategy that can guarantee consistent success every time. If you depend only on strategies, you will realize soon that no single strategy can give you the edge always. A strategy is just a part of the system, not the complete system. The truth is, it's not as easy as it seems. But it's also not impossible if you have proper knowledge and experience. Nothing is impossible for the human mind. It depends on how you use it. We have spent years studying roulette worldwide and developed systems to improve structured learning. The results may be less than expectations at times, but learning ensures long-term growth. And this is not possible in one day or in one video tutorial. It requires time, energy, and skills to learn. Download our official Roulette Master mobile app. The first 8 chapters are completely free. Educate yourself before it's too late. Thanks for watching. See you in the final part of this 4 basics series. Take care and have a great day.